Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a watermelon salad. It's sweet, refreshing, with a hint of heat. It's a perfect salad for summer. This is a salad you can make and serve right away. You don't have to chill it for hours like pasta salad or potato salad. We'll need a watermelon, of course. It's best to get a seedless variety if you can. Sliced red onion, fresh mint leaves, fresh ginger, green chilies for a little heat. I'm using these little green chilies. You can definitely substitute serranos, jalapenos, or really any other hot green chili. Fresh lime juice, honey. You can substitute sugar if you don't have honey. And cheese. I've got a block of feta cheese that I'm going to crumble. You can use paneer, goat cheese, or fresh Mexican cheese, queso fresco. Blue cheese is a little strong, but even that would work in this recipe. First, I'll make the dressing. Squeeze a couple of limes. Citrus is probably one of my favorite things to use in a dressing. It's really bright flavor. So it's not too spicy. I'm going to slit the green chilies in half and take the seeds out. Do that with whatever type of chili you're using. I'll just slice the chilies very fine. I'll put that right into the lime juice. Peel the ginger and grate it. You can use a knife or a spoon. A little salt. Add the honey. Give it a whisk. Taste and add more sugar or honey if you need to. I'll add a little bit more honey. This dressing is so good. It's sweet, it's got a hint of spice, a little salty, it's perfect. To take the bite out of the red onion, what you can do is soak it in water for 10 minutes and then drain it. What I like to do is take some of this dressing and pour it over the onion, leave it aside for a few minutes while I cut the watermelon. It takes the bite out and it gives it a little bit of a pickling effect. Set that aside and now we'll cut the watermelon. When I ordered this I thought I was getting a mini watermelon, but this is pretty big for mini. I'm not going to use a whole watermelon for the salad because it would be just too much. This is supposed to be seedless, but there are some seeds. Just take those out. This salad does not keep well in the refrigerator. You do have to use it pretty much the same day. I'll take the rind off. If there are any white parts, just cut them off. Now you don't have to waste the rind. There are plenty of recipes to pickle this rind. You can cut the watermelon into cubes or scoop them with a melon baller to make balls. I'm just going to cut them up today. have a little bit of the rind here. Now this is not bitter, it's still edible, so you can use it, or if you want everything to look nice and pink, just cut this off. Put the chunks into a big bowl. Stack the mint leaves and cut them into strips. Save a few for garnish. Give the onion a taste. It's like a sweet pickled onion. It's delicious. In 10 minutes, it goes from raw onion to this lovely pickled onion. To the watermelon, add the mint, the onion. You don't have to use all of it. Just use as much as you'd like. You don't want the onion to overpower the watermelon. The cheese you can cube or crumble. The onions, cheese, and dressing put on at the last minute right before serving. I'll pour some of the dressing. Taste it and add more if you like. Give it a taste. I'm going to add the rest of the dressing. I used only a little bit of cheese. Before you serve this, crumble some more cheese on top. The salad is so addictive, you won't be able to stop eating it. And you don't have to because it's healthy. It's very light, so it doesn't fill you up. I'm sure everyone will love it, so give it a try. If you want to get notifications when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And turn on your notifications. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.